Hello everyone. So after the Palearctic, Nearctic realm, so next is Neotropical realm. So Neotropical realm in this geographical boundary is so it is located South and Central America, that is Lower Mexico and West Indies are the constituents of this region. So you can see in this image. So here this region is connected with Nearctic region by Central American Isthmus, and other parts are bordered by the sea. So here this region is located South Central America, Lower Mexico and West Indies, and it is connected with the Nearctic region by Central American Isthmus, and other parts are bordered by the sea. So this is also subdivided into four subregions: Chilean, Brazilian, Mexican, Antillean. So these are the subregions. So here Chilean subregion, which is the western part of South America, Peru, Bolivia, and Andes mountain. So Andes mountain range are the different parts of this region, and it is not so rich in faunal content. So here Chilean subregion, that is located at the western parts of South America, Peru, Bolivia, and Andes mountain ranges. And next is Brazilian subregion. So it covers whole of Brazil and extends up to the Panama Canal. It covers whole Brazil and extends up to the Panama Canal, and it is very rich in faunal composition. So here presence of rich number of fauna. So this region contains high number of fauna which is present in this subregion. And the third one is Mexican subregion. So this subregion is situated within North and South America, that is northern side of the Panama Isthmus, and it contains some important fauna in this region, in this subregion. And then fourth one is Antillean subregion. So entire West Indies except Trinidad and Tobago is included in this subregion, and here presence of very few animal content in this subregion. So these are the four subregions. Then here climatic condition in this region is it is covered by tropical dry land, and only southern part America experience with temperate climate. Then the ecological condition in the Amazon Valley, there is a tropical rainforest. Then temperate region that consists of savanna and grassland. Western part of South America is dry and has desert like ecosystem. Argentina consists mostly of grassland. So this is the ecological condition in the Neotropical realm. Then here presence of fauna. So presence of fauna in the Neotropical realm. So it contains fishes, amphibia, reptiles, birds and mammals. So here presence of fishes. So 120 genus of the 3 families are present in this region. So the prominent fishes are Lepidosirene, eel, catfish are prominently present in this Neotropical realm. And amphibia, so presence of Cecilia, Siphonopsis, Hyla, salamander, frog, toad, etc. can seen in this region. And reptiles are presence of Dromicus, boa, epicrats, snakes, gecko, alligator, and calice, etc. are present. Then birds, so presence of total 700 genus of birds are recorded in this region. Among these, so presence of here Tenemus, Screamus, Vatgin, and parakeet etc. are present. And mammals, so total 32 families are recorded. So here presence of some of the mammals like opossum, sloth, rodents, American tapir, bat, spider monkey, llama etc. are important fauna which are present in the neotropical region or neotropical realm. So you can see in this image, so presence of vertebrate or presence of fauna in the neotropical realm. Thank you.